Hello everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you one of the most powerful tools ever created for understanding convolutional neural networks. And the best part, it completely runs in your browser. This is the CNN Explainer, which I'm going to show you right now, and you are seeing it right away. And in the next few minutes, I'll walk you through how this tool works, how CNN sees an image, how features are extracted, how you can interactively explore every neuron. All this can be done. They have given some sample images here for input. I'm going to select one of them. For example, the sports car is selected, and immediately on selection, the processing goes on and I get it identified as sports car. You can see that I can clearly get it identified as sports car because this is the highlighted one. The output value is 0.959656. So now I'm going to select a different one, the school bus. So you can see that the school bus is getting highlighted. The output value is 0.8270. You can see the entire workflow here very clearly, and it is one of those tools which is very easy to learn, handle, and try out different things. I can even enter my own image. You can see that here. I can add my own image and I can try it out very clearly as well. The best part of it is this tool is very easy to use and anybody can understand, anybody can try this out. The first thing the tool does is very simple. It splits the image into three channels, the red, green, and blue. That's what you are seeing here. It splits into red, green, and blue. The fundamentals are very strong here. This is all the model sees, the pixel intensities. Now you can see what happens. It goes into the convolution layer. It gets into the first convolution layer. These tiny filters slide over the image and capture the basic patterns, like the edges, the corners, the textures, anything. Whenever the filter detects something important, you can see strong red activation. The red channel will get activated. So when there is nothing, it stays blue. Then comes a ReLU. You can see that we have got a ReLU here, ReLU, ReLU. So what is this? ReLU simply cuts away the negative values. It keeps only the useful signal, making the feature map very clean. Then comes the pooling. You can see that the max pooling is used here. What is it? This pooling is very specifically selected as max pooling, and it reduces the size of the map and keeps the strongest features. This makes the model faster and focuses on what truly matters. Now, as we move into the deeper layers, CNN will start detecting more meaningful shapes. For example, the wheels, the windows, the curved edges, and the complexity increases at every level. So you can see that here, and that goes closer towards the end. Finally, all these features are flattened and they are passed into the fully connected layer. You can see this here. Finally, they all will be flattened and they are getting into the fully connected layer. You can see that here, every explanation is very nicely given. Flattened layer is there. Each layer is fantastically explained. So I request you to try it out. The more you try out, the better the clarity you will get. And you can see the flow here. This is the best part of it. So try out, and that's the best way you can understand things, right? And the most important thing, the best favorite part of mine is tool is amazingly, insanely interactive. You can upload your own image using the upload icon. You can also adjust the color scale for activations. If the heat map looks too dim or too bright, tweaking this setting reveals the real strength of the activations. You can also understand the network details. I have shown you everything, each bit of it. Each bit of it you can understand. You can hover around this to see what exactly is happening. This is an amazing tool. And if you ever forget what a layer actually does, convolution, pooling, ReLU, just click the info icon. You'll be able to get everything very clearly, right? You can get everything clearly. This tool is amazing. And this is very fascinating tool. This is a masterpiece. Try it out. It fully runs on TensorFlow.js and in-browser deep learning library. That means that the entire scene and all convolutions, activations, pooling are executed inside your browser using your GPU, right? That's the best part of it, using your GPU. Are you really sure that it's your GPU? Test it out. Then revert to me in the chat. I'll be very happy to answer your questions. Try this and let me know your insights. This is one of the finest learnings that I feel I've given you today. Finally, we'll end up with a red panda. Yes, it's detected perfectly and the output confidence is 0.9577. With that note, I take leave today. I'll come back to you again in the next session soon. Thank you.